Hey YouTubers, it's your boy MTC Tookie 25. Come back with another video. How's everybody doing? Welcome back. As you can tell by the title, I got an unboxing. And I'm going to do a few shout outs. So, hang tight. I'm going to trusty blade out and get this open up. It's always nice to open these up on camera to see if you get what you ordered. You feel me? Dang. Okay. Double bagging. Get rid of that. Okay. Double bagging. Okay. Hope everybody doing good. Because I'm doing great. Wonderful. Okay. Out the way. It should be 2 Graphenes. And we're gonna see. Looks like it. Looks like Graphenes to me. Okay. $4,000 miles. Okay. See if this is in camera. Yeah, 4,000 miles. 3S. Okay. No biggie, right? But I needed something. I got 2 S's and I have 4 S's. I didn't have any 3 S's. And this would be the same thing. Just for shipping purposes, I'll make sure this is what I ordered. And you know what I'm saying? In case I have to make a claim. 4,000. Graphenes. Graphenes on deck. Graphenes. So, put these back here. Okay. Need all this crap. And let me move it on to the shout outs. I'm gonna start off with my man Sean Lamont from Jackson RC Recycle and Repair for these WTF what the fuck, excuse me, my bad, Wild Turbo fans from Jackson RC. No, that's Lamont. Anyway, shout out number 2 for the DynaLube. DynaLube. Daniel Hale. Ultimate and RC Lubrication, okay? Okay, guys, listen. This stuff is not, now, pause it if you need to get that information, but I might leave it down in the comments below. But this stuff is not for your differentials or your shocks. This is for your bearings, okay? This is for your casings and your bearings. Anything that need lube on it is what you need. So, shout out for Daniel for making that happen for Tookie. And then last but not least, I want to shout out Mini Heat. Trump, you pulled one together, brother. And I look forward to doing business in the future with you guys, because they're all a bunch of stand-up group of guys, and they all love RC like I do. So, that being said, thumbs up, peace, holla at your boy. One love.